Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make macarons using an oven toaster. First, accurately measure all your ingredients, especially almond flour and powdered sugar. Separate your egg whites carefully, ensuring no yolk contamination. Whip the egg whites to a stiff peak meringue, which is essential for the macaron's structure. This initial preparation sets the foundation for perfect, delicate shells. Now let's talk about macaronage. Gently fold your dry ingredients into the meringue. The goal is to achieve a batter that flows like slow-moving lava, forming a continuous ribbon when lifted. Overmixing or undermixing can ruin your shells. Once the batter is ready, transfer it to a piping bag. Pipe consistent, small circles onto your prepared baking surface, leaving space between each one. After piping, tap your baking trays firmly on the counter a few times. This helps release any trapped air bubbles, preventing hollow macarons. Next, let the piped shells rest at room temperature until a slight skin forms on top, usually about 30 minutes. This drying step is vital for developing the characteristic feet. Preheat your oven toaster to a low temperature, around 280 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 12 to 15 minutes. Once baked, let your macaron shells cool completely on the tray before attempting to remove them. Rushing this step can cause them to stick or break. Carefully peel them off the parchment paper. Now comes the fun part, filling. Pipe your favorite ganache, buttercream, or jam between two shells. These delicate treats are best enjoyed after chilling for a few hours. Remember to check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.